You describe your heart like a...
I feel like you will be rich one day, pero kailangan nyong itago ito. Huwag niyo ipagmamalaki sa oras na natanggap niyo na yung regalo niyo sa Diyos. So we have the calm here in reverse. We also have the rich in reverse. We also got the best of friends, but it's in reverse. So yun nga, nabanggit nila, kapag sa oras na tanggap mo yung biyaya mo, huwag mo yung pagkakalat, kasi iba sa inyo, meron pa rin tao na deceitful sa inyong buhay, na puno ng kamalasan, yung nasa sense ko. Syempre, kung may makita siya na may tao na umangat, baka kasi magselos siya at kung anong gawin niya. Next that we have is this one, in either way. We also got this, okay? So, maybe you guys are not aware whomever this person is, okay? Kasi kayo siguro yung tao na focus sa work at hindi talaga kayo focus sa mga tao sa paligid. So, you have the time here. In divine timing, you will know the answer. 22 is in either way. I'm sensing na tinatawag talaga kayo mag-focus sa career nyo at wag sa ibang tao. At saka para ma-identify mo kung sino tong deceitful na tao, I think it's better that you kinda like know a little about their background. Kung aware ka madalas silang minamalas, that's already questionable. So, we have the 5 here in either way. So, kaya sila na minamalas kasi hindi sila nagpapagong buhay. Okay, there's something that they need to change. And that's the reason why kung ano man na meron sa kanila, bigla yan nawawala or naglalaho. So, we have the save in either way. At dapat din nila matutunan na mag-save ng money or invest on the right things. Kasi baka ito yung tao na nilalagay niya sa mali yung pera. Kaya pag, may dumarating na emergency, wala na siyang panggasto. So, yung mga kamalasan na yan, tinuturuan siya ng importansya ng pagsasave ng pera at pag-i-invest, okay? At hindi lang yun, hindi kasi siya masaya sa mga tao na umaangat, nagsasela siya. So, yun din yung dahilan kung ba't siya minamalas, okay? So, we got our sense of taste has changed. It's in either way. And we have this case, okay? So, I'm sensing na dumating ang yung buhay na ganito na na-meet mo siya kasi you are showing this person the right path. And I feel like hindi naman siya nagbago, hindi naman siya na-inspire sa ginagawa mo. Maybe you're teaching this person to save money or invest on the right things. Pero yun nga, hindi nagbago. And God wants you to know na hindi mo naman kasalanan kung ba't hindi siya nagbago. It's kinda like in this person's way na may free will, but choose a maling path, so it's not your fault, and you already did your mission work to direct this person towards the right path, but during this period, God is asking you na since may parating na biyaya, huwag kayong mag-brag post, okay? Kasi meron nga tao na naiinggit sa inyo. So anyway, that's it guys, and God bless all of you.